All right, so in this station, we are going to continue with practicing some morphology, and more importantly, looking at the word port, the root word port. Remember that a root word is in the main part, it is the main part of the word that forms the basis for the meaning. Today, we're going to review the word port. It's Latin, and it means to carry. So we would like you to take a look at page 185 and 186, pausing point 6. If you need a moment to pause the video till you get there, feel free to do so. So the directions say, write the correct word to complete each sentence. Your word bank is transport, export, report, portable, portfolio, support, transportation, and import. So you have 8 words there, 5 word blanks. So that means that 3 words are going to be left over. We're going to do the first fill in the blank together. Number 1, it was difficult to blank my science project to school because it was so big. Does transport, export, report, portable, portfolio, support, transportation, or import fit in that sentence? I'll give you a moment to think that through. All right, I identified that transport would be best. I'm talking about moving my project to school, so that means I have to get it from somewhere else. So I'm moving it to school. So I'm going to reread that sentence again now that I've put the word in to make sure it sounds as good as I think it does when I read it quietly. It was difficult to transport my science project to school because it was so big. That sounds about right. Now I'm going to move on to number 2. I'm going to read 2, 3, 4, and 5 for you, and then you're going to be asked to fill in the blank. Number 2, the United States continues to blank cars from other countries such as Germany and Japan. Number 3, my father brought a blank radio to the baseball game. Number 4, the United States continues to blank grain and coal to other countries around the world. And number 5, my brother added more blocks under his bridge so it would blank his toy cars. So again, I suggest that you fill in the blank and then reread the sentence to make sure it sounds okay. The second part of this activity is for you to practice using words in a sentence. So you have 4 words: transportation, portable, portfolio, and important. We're going to ask you to use each one of those in a sentence. Let me show you what I wrote for number 1. Which type of transportation do you take to school? A bus or a car? Feel free to use that sentence, or I also even challenge you to write your own sentence about transportation. And then please take a moment to write a sentence about portable, portfolio, and important. I can't wait to read your sentences.